Want another bite? Another bite? I don't know. How do you know how to do that? Who taught you how to eat off of a spoon? Who taught you that? How do you know how to do that already? This is his first taste of avocado. And he is acting like he's a pro.
Can I taste this?
Yeah. You're acting like you've been doing this all your life.
Who
taught you that? Who taught you that? Apparently he likes it. It's pretty good stuff, huh? Pretty good stuff. I don't know how you know how to do this so well. I don't know how. You must be a hungry guy. You must be. Poor boy forced to wear his sister's pink bib. Yeah. Yeah. You're a good eater. You are a good eater. It's not
I'm a good eater too.
You are. Yummy. Yummy. Good stuff. That's good stuff. Is that good? Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Yum. Yum, yum. Is that good? Oh. You're so funny. Another taste? Mia, what are you That's a funny face. Is that funny stuff? I'm laughing at you. You guys are too much. Okay, Mia. You want another taste? That's kind of a big piece here. Okay, Mia. Not too loud. Mia, do you think he likes it? You think he does?
No.
I don't know. He seems like he does.
Maybe I'm going to whip it.
That's quite the face, buddy. Oh, thank you, Mia. Okay. All right. Are we all done?